I'm excited to introduce my new cookbook on Amazon Kindle, 35 chicken appetizer recipes to add to your collection of things to cook, no matter if it's for the Super Bowl, or just to take along with you to a tailgating party. And, I want to let you be the first to preview one of the tasty chicken recipes I've compiled in this book, in order to make your next chicken extravaganza a big success. So, enjoy and get the stove turned on. This recipe is for total winner boneless chicken strips. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 pound boneless, skinless, chicken breasts. 1/3 cup hoisin sauce. 1/3 cup plum sauce. 2 tablespoons sliced green onions, tops included. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger root. 2 tablespoons of dry sherry. 2 tablespoons white vinegar. 12 10-inch skewers. Trim away the fat from your chicken breasts, then cut lengthwise into 1/2-inch strips. In a large glass or plastic bowl, mix hoisin sauce, plum sauce, green onions, ginger root, sherry and vinegar. Put the chicken in a bowl with your ingredients. Toss to coat thoroughly, then cover bowl, and refrigerate for 2 hours. When ready to cook, turn oven temperature on broil. Take the chicken out of the marinade and drain, but keep marinade aside. Thread 2 pieces of chicken on each of the skewers, and put on a rack in broiler pan. Broil with tops about 3 to 4 inches from heat, for approximately 8 minutes until done. Then, turn once. Put the marinade in a 1-quart saucepan, and boil for 1 minute. Serve with your chicken for a delicious, chicken strip dish your guests will simply love. Hope you enjoyed this boneless chicken strip recipe and hope you can get my new book of 35 chicken appetizers now at Amazon Kindle, just click the link below.